chickens, and they're really cute. I could pet both of them. They don't hit each other. They became friends, and now they're having a walk. And they're very cute. And they really are beautiful. And I'm really scared of them. I am not scared anymore of them. Look at my chickens. They're so beautiful. He wakes me up with his voice. And they're really cute. And every morning they wake me up. My chickens are also singing. Sometimes the big one sing, sometimes the small one sing. Listen, my beautiful hand voice. Sometimes the big one sings, and sometimes the small one sings. Look, they're singing with their beautiful voice. And they make go. They make sound to wake me up. Go. They are really cute. And I love playing with them. Very enjoy with them. I'm very enjoying with them. And look how cute they are. And they always do cock-a-doodle-doo. And they're so cute. Did you hear my chicken's voice? They're so beautiful and they sing so beautiful. Their voice is so beautiful. Look guys, my beautiful sparrows also coming in my garden. They also come from beautiful sparrows and they're so beautiful that they come to eat their food, their breakfast, their evening snack. Every day I put them food for my sparrows and they come and eat. If you love my video, subscribe, like, and share.